Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to go over with you guys how to iFrame a Google form and add that to your KW website. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Forms. Now once you're in Google Forms, you're going to either want to create your own form from scratch. You can also use any of their templates if one of these works for whatever you're creating. I'm going to go ahead and use this blank one for today, just to kind of have something to use. So of course we can fill out our information here, make sure we're asking what we'd like to capture. Once we have our Google form set up and all of the information we would like to gather, we want to make sure that this is published. Now from here, you want to make sure that this is set to anyone with the link can access that Google form and use it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Now, once I've published that and I have my Google form all set up and ready to go, I want to grab this link. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this link. And from here, we want to head into command. So we're going to go to command. As you can see, I have it pulled up here. We want to head into the website dashboard. So the first thing from here we want to do is go to the website's applet in the left-hand bottom corner. From there, we want to go to, you can either go into Edit Agent Site and go to Expert Mode, or you can go to Settings and just click Edit My Website. Either way, you want to end up in this website dashboard right here. Now, once we're on here, of course, if you are on a team, you want to make sure you are on the correct website. So if you're not, make sure you switch to that one by clicking your name and finding the correct website. But from here, the next thing we want to do is we want to create a custom page. So as you can see, that's in our quick start options up here. So we're going to go ahead and click this. Now I'm just going to type this really simple Google form just to make it easy for us today. That is going to be the title of our page. So obviously you want to make sure this is something appealing for whatever you're creating. If it's an event registration or sign up for something, you can rename that what you'd like that here. It's going to populate an internal name as you type that page title. You can of course change that if you'd like. If you want to hide that title, you can toggle this off. That will remove that title. You can also turn it back on. You can add a background image behind that if you'd like to by uploading a file or photo here. Now, the next thing we want to do to get this Google form added is we want to do Add Module. Now, from here, we want to go all the way down. Keep going. And we want to do an iFrame embed. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now we have our page contents here. We want to click this little drop down, and for today, because we're creating a brand new one with that Google form, we want to select Create New. This is going to bring us into a new page per se. You'll see the blue banner at the top letting you know that you are now in the iFrame embed module. We're going to go ahead and name this. I'm going to do Google Form Test. And then below that, we've already copied our URL from our Google form. So I'm going to right click and paste that here. Now, once I do that, you'll see my Google form is populating. And from here, you can adjust the height or width if you'd like to. Usually what they're set at is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those. Now that I'm done and I've added my URL, I want to publish this specific module. So we're going to publish. And as you can see, it now gives me a green banner that says published today at 1:56 p.m. Now that we're published, I want to go ahead and go back. And now we're back on our custom page. From here, we want to click this little caret drop down, and we should be able to find our new module right here. So as you can see, we have Google Form Test. If I select that, it's going to get this added to this right-hand preview. Now I have my Google form on my website. The last thing I want to do is make sure I hit publish in the top right corner. Now, once you hit publish, it can take up to 30 minutes for that new custom page to be visible on your KW website. So just keep that in mind. But once it's been about 30 minutes, you should be able to go to your website and find that under the More tab on your website. That is our tip for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support email at support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.